My name is Leslie Hamilton, and I live here in Orlando, Florida. And about a year ago, I came to Dr. Jody. I have scoliosis, and I had always been told by other chiropractors that as I got older, I was going to begin to have back pain. Well, I was a flight attendant for about 15 years. I was also in a car wreck, and with all of that combined, I walked in this office with a lot of back pain and neck pain as well. And I was a little skeptical about chiropractors. I just felt like so many of them really wanted not so much to help me, but just my money. So when I was talking to Dr. Jody, I think she could give her testimony that I was very skeptical, but she made me feel very much at ease and assured me that she could help me. What I came to realize about her is that she looks to really get you healthy overall. It's just not about cracking your back. It's about helping you to get active and to have a full, wonderful life so that you can go out into this world and go into your 80s and your 90s and be very active. I've come to love her. I've come to care about her because I know that she cares about me, and I tell everybody about her. I recommend everybody to her, and I really think that if you step in, you would come to care about her and love her just as much as I've come to care and love about her as well.